Hi everyone, this is Kim at work again. We're continuing on with the build of our custom website, and in this video we're going to be talking about frequently asked questions. So we're going to create a new section here. It'll be full width. You could also do a 2-column, but for what I want to do, we're just going to do 1 column. We're going to add the frequently asked questions section. Here we go. Now this is a really fun section. They've made it super simple to add and have it look really good. I mean, right out of the box, it looks great. In fact, let's just go ahead and save this and reload our page. All right, and take a look at this. We're going to get our pop-up in just 2 seconds. All right, so take a look at this frequently asked questions. I mean, it looks really nice right out of the box. By default, it allows you to add an image, but we can turn that off if you don't have images. You know, you could also use this as a portfolio section. You've got your title, you've got some text here, you've got your image if you want to show a picture. I don't know that, it even has a pop-up for a larger image. So you could totally use this as a portfolio section if you don't want your images too large. But yeah, that's another great idea for this. All right, let's go back. So let's look at some of the different settings we can do. We can make them separated and rounded corners, contained, and that's the default. We can also do a simple, so if you want your little caret drop downs on this side rather than on that side. They all look great, in my opinion. All right, so here's our frequently asked list. So let's just go ahead and click on it and see what options we have. So since we're on list item 1, FAQs number 1, we can change our text here, and then of course we can add an image. Let's just throw in one of our little landscaping images. And then of course move down to list 2, FAQs number 2. I'm not going to add an image. In fact, I'll show you. You just uncheck that, and it takes the image right off. And then, of course, here's our 3rd list item. And we can hit plus and continue adding as many frequently asked questions as we need to. In fact, if you like or have similar things, you can copy and paste. You can delete them as needed, and you can move them around. So super simple to adjust what you need in this section. Let's go ahead to advanced and see what we have here. We've got some custom options. So if you want to change your icon, you can change it. So they've got these others that are circles, and actually you can put it wherever you want. Let's see. there. It's set up to go on the right. Let's check out our line height. Okay. It allows you to expand multiple items at the same time. This is interesting. So every time we create something, it shuts it. Keep first content open on load. So that means when you first get to the frequently asked section, the first one is always starts as open, showing people that there's information there. And then you can show the image as pop-up on click. So that's what we saw earlier. Let's move down and see what other options we have. Change the text color on open. So they've got colors that you can switch when it's closed, colors you can switch when they're open. And so they have quite a few different things that you can adjust and change. You can change the background color. You can just change the content background color so you can see what that does. Title background color. So you can change things just a little bit. I'll leave that off. Actually, I'll leave it white. And then if you're closed, you can change that. I'll go ahead and leave that. You've got your expand and collapse button text color. Let's change that. And let's change the title color because that blue doesn't match what we're doing. Let's just make it dark there. All right. So yeah, lots of changes. You can change your font options. And if you just want the defaults, it'll just default to your typography settings here and match what you've already got. But you can change these if you want to set them apart with something different. Change the font, the title size, the content, and then if you want to change for mobile, then you can change it here. Let's just see what it looks like in mobile. That looks really great. I like the way that looks. Great. And then click it back. You're back to your desktop view. Let's go to spacing options. If you need any padding, it's got some defaults there that look pretty good already. Border. Let's just throw a border just to see how it looks. This is to set it off if you need a border. I'm not going to do a border, but these are all exactly how they are in images and text boxes. It's all the same. So great. All right, that's it for advanced. Anyway, again, these look great any way that you do it. So let's go ahead and hit save. And we'll reload our preview page and just take a look. There we go. That looks great. There's our pop-up again from our video. Awesome. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.